Well, it seems a silent milk revolution is taking place across rural India, all thanks to an NGO whose innovative animal breeding program. Indian farmers are now empowering themselves through advanced artificial insemination technology to yield higher quality of milk and quantity as well from their cattle.
This tiny village in Mewat, Haryana was dubbed as the most backward area in the district. Its main source of income came from buffalo milk production, which was in a dismal state due to poor breeding practices. However, change was in the making, and in 2002, under the JK Trust Gram Vikas Yojana, many villages like this one have set up a cattle breeding program that utilizes artificial insemination technology. Through artificial insemination, the farmers of Mewat have been able to double their milk production and in the process have become financially self-independent. It seems Mewat has become a model example of excellence in adopting innovatory practices to achieve better quality of life. With buffalo breeding on the rise, thanks to the insemination technique, this village is clearly on the path of self-reliance.
I think in some ways we can be called the father of the AI program, which is a cattle development program, integrated livestock development program, that's what we call it. And it's integrated because it is not only artificial insemination that we are involved in. We are involved in total medical care of the mother, medical care of the baby, including some unsuitable bulls being castrated. All this is done by our center.
And if you wanted further proof of this innovative approach, then all you need to do is visit this village of Vadodara, where it's the women who are calling the shots.
इस प्रोजेक्ट में आने से हमारी ज़िंदगी ऐसे ही बदल गई है, क्योंकि पहले हम बहुत गरीब थे। अब पहले तो हम 50 रुपए की मजदूरी में भी काम करते थे। अभी तो है ना, इस प्रोजेक्ट में आने से हमारा वो सैलरी बढ़ गई है।
Many villages such as this have greatly benefited by adopting these latest technological practices. The silent but effective milk revolution has slowly crept across rural India, improving the lives of thousands. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.